Welcome to Money Mindset Hub, where wealth begins in a mind. In the past few videos, we talked about something important. We talked about the psychology of money. We talked about the habits that build wealth. But now, we are left with a question that many people ask. If someone wants to start building wealth today, where should they actually start investing? Because when most people look at investing, it feels confusing. There are thousands of stocks, hundreds of strategies, and endless opinions online. Some people say trade, some say buy crypto, others say buy property, and beginners become overwhelmed. But the truth is simple. Investing does not have to be complicated. In this video, we are going to simplify it. 1. Why most people never start. The biggest reason most people never build wealth is not lack of money. It is hesitation. Most people believe they must understand everything before they begin. So they wait. They read more articles. They watch more videos. They promise themselves they will start next year. But next year becomes another year, and another year. Meanwhile, something very important keeps moving. Time. Time is the most powerful force in investing because money grows through compounding. Compounding happens when your investments earn returns, and those returns begin earning returns too. But compound needs one thing. Time. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. This is why waiting is so expensive. Not because investing is urgent, but because time is limited. 2. Understand what investing really is. Most beginners misunderstand investing. They think investing means predicting markets, or picking the next big company, or making quick profits. But real investing is something much simpler. Investing means ownership. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of a company. When you invest in real estate, you own property. When you invest in funds, you own pieces of many businesses. This is the key idea. Wealth people focuses on ownership. They convert their income into assets. Assets are things that can grow in value or produce income, and over time, those assets begin working for them. 3. The simplest strategy for beginners. Now, let's talk about the simplest strategy beginners can follow. First, start small. You do not need a large amount of money to begin investing. What matters more is consistency. Second, invest regularly. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, invest consistently over time. This approach is often called dollar cost averaging. It simply means investing the same amount regularly. Sometimes prices will be high, sometimes prices will be low. But over time, you smooth out the risk. Third, think long term. Real investing is not about weeks or months. It's about years, and sometimes decades. The biggest mistake beginners make is expecting fast results. But wealth grows slowly and then powerfully. Consistency beats intensity. Small investment repeated for years can be very large amounts. 4. The power of patience. There is one final lesson every investor must understand. Wealth rewards patience. No excitement, no speed. Patience. The people who build wealth are not always the smartest. They are simply the most consistent. They invest, they stay invested, and they allow time to do its work. Building wealth is not complicated. but it requires discipline. Start small, invest constantly. Think long term, and remember something important. You do not need to predict the future. You only need to participate in it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Money Mindset Hub, because here we simplify wealth